What's up? What's up? I'm back with a new week, and for the start of the week, we took a small loss, but gold made it all up for us. So my first trade was on GBP Jappy. What I was looking at when we go back to the weekly, I was seeing that these highs were taken already, so I was expecting more rundown into this. Put this white line about halfway of this wick. I was expecting it to touch. Go to the daily. So I'm pretty much looking for it to fill this imbalance here. So from here to here, and down to the 4-hour. This imbalance was already filled. These highs were being respected. So these green candles were being respected. I was looking for it to fill the rest of this imbalance here and then here. Possibly that could have stayed open. So at least here. Went down to the hourly. Like I said, once again, all the green candles were being respected. So I got in I wanted to get in at 19, right at here, right at this. This is an hourly order block. Wanted to get in right at the bottom of it. I thought it was going to hit it and pretty much drop down, go into it and drop down. And this is what it pretty much was doing. So it wicked up there and moved so fast I couldn't get in at 19 like I wanted. Came back up, wouldn't let me get in at 19 again, and kept dropping down. So I got in at 14. So it put me in at 14. And I was expecting it to give me this big move downward. But as you see, yeah, I did not want to see it go outside of this order block. And I gave it a little room to run to my full 25 pip stop loss. Didn't want to see it past this green candle, and it did. So I got out, and as you see, turned around, and then I would have been up. Could have called that a win trade, but took a loss of $27.81. It shot up a little bit past my stop loss. So I took a loss on that trade, but I was also looking at gold. And in gold, this is a 4-hour order block, this line. We go to the 4-hour. And what I was looking at, this big drop, I was looking for gold to fill this gap in, and retest this area. I did not want to see it drop below this area here. These red candles should have been respected. Hourly, we go straight to the 5. And I wanted price to go below this 12 o'clock open. So I was in around, I got in at 24.40. It dropped down. I got in a little early too. I should have waited till 3 o'clock because it took me on that little ride. But I got in here about 2:45. I thought it was just gonna fill this little area in and move off. But it went down here. Like I said, I did not want to see it go past this line. Came back up, had me up in profit, went back down, touched the 4-hour line, and then shot off. Almost filled it, got to like 32. I took partials at most of my trade off at 31, 32. So most of my trade I took off here. I had a 0.07 on, so I took 0.05 off here and left a 0.2 running. Got me up a little bit. I wanted, like I said, I wanted to get the rest of that, which was about 33. As you see, it eventually did, but it did all that. So my stop loss for that last runner was at 10. So 30.10 was right here. Yeah, you get it. You see, right in here. That was my stop loss. And as you see, it eventually came down and knocked my stop loss out. And that put me up another, I mean, I was in profit. So like I said, I got in at 24.40, so it was still at profit anyway. But that made me about $45.98. So that made up my loss for today and put my account up to $316.86. I got this blurred thing on to blur the background, and now it gets, when I get my phone close to it, it'll start blurring it, but you should be able to see that. And these were my trades for today. Kind of got to find the right spot on the camera so it won't blur it out. So yeah, I had a profit of $16.85. Yeah, I just wish I wouldn't have took that loss. It had been a really nice profit for today, but now we still, you make money in the market, you call that a win. And that's my trades for today. Let's see what's going on tomorrow in the market. Till next time.